Stop wasting your life. That's what they said. I'm feeling lost. Everything moves so fast, like I have to go somewhere or do something. Searching for the meaning of life. Living in the past and the future. That's how we stop noticing. But what if we do nothing? Just wondering, daydreaming, observing, with no intention, no expectation, no destination. You realize that there's no past, no future. The only moment is present. This is the moment you started to notice the light, the wind, the tree. You started to notice everything. Sometimes we're too obsessed with finding life's meaning, trapped between the past and the future. But maybe it's these meaningless moments that we truly live.